a way to relax, be creative, and end up with something you can use over and over again. Today, I'm going to teach you all how to paint your own tote bag. Now, in quarantine, I picked up several hobbies out of boredom, one of which being painting tote bags with my friends or just alone in my free time, which I had a lot of. This is evidenced through some of the examples shown here of previous bags I've painted. Also, please remember throughout this presentation that I do not claim to be an artist. However, I have mastered the steps of this process from my experience and will be sharing my knowledge. Through this presentation, I will teach you all how to prepare your tote bag and how to paint your design onto the bag, leaving you with your own custom tote bag that, once dry, you can use as much as you like. Now first, you must gather your materials. These supplies include a blank canvas tote bag, paintbrushes, a cup of water, a pencil, masking tape, paper towels or newspaper, and a palette or paper plate. Priscilla Green of ToteBagFactory.com suggests beginners start with a plain canvas tote bag of a natural or white color. Using this canvas tote bag and the masking tape, stick 4 strips of tape down onto the front of the tote bag so that they form a rectangle. Be sure that the tape is firmly pressed down so as to ensure that the paint will not bleed through. Next, you will want to select a reference picture of a design of your choosing and have it handy, so that you will be able to refer to it throughout this process. As you can see, I searched for designs on Pinterest and decided on the pink Nike design pictured on this slide. Now, at this point in the process, many people encounter the common problem of paint bleeding through to the other side of the tote bag. To avoid this, it is important that you fold up your paper towels or newspaper and place it in the tote bag so that it covers the entirety of the inside of the bag. According to firstdayofhome.com, this will help the paint adhere to the fabric and prevent bleeding through to the other side. Out of the colors you have, you will want to select which color paints you will need to paint your reference picture. For me, my picture was mostly pink. However, I had to mix some of my own colors to get varying shades. It is also important to note that I suggest you use fabric paint for this project, as it is more likely to adhere better to the bag and will be washable. The fabric paint I used is called Imagine 8. Now you can begin to paint your base color with borders created by the masking tape. After you have done this, wait 30 minutes for this to dry, and then begin to sketch your design onto the base color. This sketch will help you later when you are painting the more complicated parts of your design. Using the sketch, begin to paint your design according to the reference picture. Use the cup of water to rinse your brush when necessary. When you have finished painting your design, carefully remove the masking tape from the tote bag. Once the paint dries, your bag is officially completed and ready for use. I hope you all, through this presentation, are confident that you are now able to prepare for and paint your own tote bag. Thank you.